Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Odyssey side mirror. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new replacement side mirror. Make sure it's the correct part for your specific Honda Odyssey model. Also, prepare a clean, well-lit workspace and consider protecting your door's paint with a cloth. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to pry it off without causing damage. Once the panel is off, you will see the electrical connector for the mirror. Disconnect this harness. Finally, unbolt the old mirror assembly from the door frame. There are usually 3 or 4 bolts holding it in place. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Securely fasten the new mirror using the bolts you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened properly, but do not over-tighten. Then, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror's connector. Finally, reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap back into place firmly. Before you finish, test the new mirror's functionality. Check the power adjustments, heating, and any other features to ensure everything works correctly. If all looks good, you're done. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.